Welcome back to Honest Mechanic Colorado. I'm Brian, and today we're diving into a crucial part of your car's engine, the spark plugs. These little components have a big job, and when they fail, your car feels it. Let's find out why spark plugs fail and how you can spot the signs before it's too late. Spark plugs are the unsung heroes of your engine. They ignite the air-fuel mixture in the combustion chamber, powering your vehicle. But like any hero, they don't last forever. The question is, why do they fail? Well, several factors contribute to their demise. First and foremost, normal wear and tear. Spark plugs don't have an eternal life. Their electrodes wear down over time, enlarging the gap they need to spark across. This wear leads to misfires and inefficiency. Copper spark plugs, the most basic, typically last around 20,000 to 30,000 miles. Platinum and iridium plugs, however, can last much longer, up to 100,000 miles in some cases. Next up, oil or carbon deposits. If oil leaks into the combustion chamber, or if the fuel doesn't burn completely, it leaves behind deposits on the spark plug. These residues disrupt the spark plug's ability to function correctly. Incorrect gapping is another culprit. Each spark plug has a specific gap setting. If it's too wide or too narrow, it can affect engine performance, leading to misfires and poor fuel economy. Overheating spark plugs are also a common issue. Factors like engine overheating or using the wrong type of spark plug for your car can cause this. When a spark plug overheats, its lifespan is significantly reduced. Physical damage, such as a cracked insulator or a bent electrode, often happens due to improper installation. It's crucial to ensure that spark plugs are installed correctly to avoid such issues. Poor fuel quality or additives can leave deposits on the spark plugs, leading to poor performance. High-quality fuel is essential for the longevity of your spark plugs. Lastly, problems in your car's ignition system can put extra stress on spark plugs. Faulty ignition wires or coil issues can require higher voltages, causing premature spark plug wear. Now that you know why spark plugs fail and how to maintain them, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more car maintenance tips. Now that you've grasped why spark plugs fail, let's delve a bit deeper into how you can recognize they're due for a replacement. Start by keeping an ear open for engine misfires. These are characterized by irregular popping sounds or the engine stuttering as the spark plug fails to ignite the fuel-air mixture in one or more cylinders. Next, pay attention to any rough idle. This could feel like your vehicle's engine is shaking or vibrating more than usual when you're at a stop. This is caused by incomplete combustion, another sign of a failing spark plug. Difficulty starting your vehicle is another glaring sign. If the spark plug is worn out or damaged, it produces the spark necessary to ignite the fuel-air mixture, and this makes starting the car become a daunting task. Now, let's consider poor acceleration. Spark plugs play a crucial role in the combustion process. A failing spark plug can cause the car to struggle with acceleration due to a lack of proper combustion. The car feels sluggish, especially while trying to speed up. Then there's the issue of increased fuel consumption. A poorly functioning spark plug can lead to incomplete combustion, causing your car to fuel than necessary. This not only drains your wallet, but also harms the environment. Engine surging is another sign to watch out for. This refers to when your car's RPMs go up and down in a jerky movement. It's caused by an irregular response due to the air-fuel mix not being properly ignited by the failing spark plug. The infamous check engine light. This warning light is connected to your car's computer, which can detect a wide range of issues, including spark plug problems. If your spark plugs are misfiring or failing, it could trigger this light. Keep in mind, while the check engine light can indicate a multitude of issues, a spark plug failure could be one of them. And remember, the best way to avoid spark plug problems is regular maintenance. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and share.